In this video, you'll learn how to copy or replace custom attributes between boards in Placker. Custom attributes are a very effective way of keeping detailed information in your cards. In this example, we have a board that contains information for a product development, and these cards already have custom attributes assigned. For example, when you click one of the cards of the product development board, you can see that we have not only the regular attributes like description, but also custom attributes that were created, like location and subconstructor, for instance. However, the new board that we have created still doesn't contain the custom attributes. You can see this by clicking a card of the second product and noticing that we don't have location and subcontractor attributes created. There are two ways to solve this issue. First, you can click the title of the second product board, go to Attributes, click Edit/Add Attributes, and create your new custom attributes just like you did in the first place. But there is a more efficient way of doing this, which is by using the Replace Current Attributes feature. Here, you can select a source board, for example product development, and click Replace Attributes. Now you can see that we have the available custom attributes, which were copied from the first board. Also, when you close this window and click a card, the custom attributes are already available. So this is a faster way of copying or replacing custom attributes between two different boards.